Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add a grainy effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First of all, open your image or text. I type text and resize your text. Hold Control, align middle, and create a new layer. Go to Edit tab, fill, gray, and edit effect, lighten or overlay screen. The best way, right click, create a clipping mask, and go to filter tab, add noise, increase the noise effect. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.